bag which is called a jute bag for this souvenir bag. This is a jute bag. This other side is a nylon. It's just like waterproof. Water cannot penetrate inside. Now this bag comes with different colors. But for this is just like a carton color, so we're going to use this one. So we also need our matching thread. This is our matching thread for this class. We need this, and we need our scissors. We need our rule. We need our webbing. This is 1.5 inch webbing. You know, webbing comes in different sizes. So this is 1.5 inch. These are the things we are going to use. Then we also need our tape. Where the tape? Okay, we need our tape for this. This is 1 yard of a jute material. For this our bag, half yard to be enough for you. But in this case, I'm using 1 yard. And then the measurement for this bag is 16 by 13. That one in the shoe?
Yes.
So I'm going to mark out these two panels of this, because we need 2 panels of rectangle rather. You like the shoe?
Yes.
So I need this. Also need another size of it. Now we have this 2 panel, a rectangle. We have this. They are both 16 by 13. The 13 will be the height, and then we have 16 by 13 also. So now the next thing we're going to do, remember I'm not using pattern for this. So what I'm going to do is to calculate. I want the opening of this bag to be at this point. I want the opening of the bag to be this first triangle. So I'm going to measure from here to here. Remember, from here to here is what? 13. From here to here is what? 16. And from here to here is 13. So now I'm going to calculate 13 plus 16 plus this 13. That will be the side of this bag. So I'm going to say 13 plus 16 is what? 13 plus 16 is 29. 13 plus 16 is 29. Now 29 plus 13. We are looking at 29 plus 13, 42. Now from here to here is 42. It's giving us 42. But instead of us cutting 42, we'll add extra inches for the folding, because we fold the marks of the bag. So I'm going to, instead of 42, I'm going to add cut 43, 45 rather. So I'm going to use 45 for the side. And then the width, which is the depth of a bag, we're going to use 6. We're going to use 6 for the width. So I'm going to come here and measure out my. Remember I said we're using 45. You sure? This is my 45. You sure? Sure. Yes. So this is my 45 there. This is my 45. Yeah, that is right. So by 6. Now I'm going to put 1 extra allowance, because I'm going to fold the marks of this. Usually I don't need to fold it, but because of this I need to fold it to protect the edge. So I'm going to use 7 instead of 6. So I have 7. I have 7. Remember, it's by 45. So sizes of the two side and the bottom. The two side and bottom. So I have my side now 45 by 7 because I will fold the tips. Then we have my two panels. That is my two rectangles. Our bag is ready. So the next thing we're going to do is to measure out our webbing, and we're going to use 18.